Arte!
Met you by surprise. I didn't realize that my life would change forever. Saw you standing there. I didn't know I'd care. There was something special.
You can come here, yeah, when I sing it.
Dreams are my reality, the only kind of real fantasy. Illusions are a common thing. Try to live and dream. Seems as if this
Everybody, they're very good Filipino dance and singing.
are my
They're number one.
reality. Different kind of reality. I dream of loving in the night, and loving seems so right, though it's only fantasy.
Ako makikita sa lahat sa Facebook.
Ano naman kayo?
Palakpak.
If you do exist, honey, don't resist.
Wow.
Show me a new way of loving.
Gagaling yung mga ano mo, guess
Tell
mo.
me that it's true.
Galing ng boses.
Show me what to do. I feel something special about you. Dreams are my reality, the only kind of reality. Maybe my foolishness is bad. Baby, know that I'll see how the real thing can be. Dreams are my reality, a wondrous world where I like to be. I dream of holding you all night, and holding you seems right. Perhaps that's my reality.
Wala kang bisita mga.
Bisita ate. Alam mo na.
Kaya nagdala lang, tapos magdala ng dalawa. Ang dala niya sa magaling magtaya. Yan, si Christine. Pakita ko yung video.
Hi. Paano yung ginawa mo? Gumano ka sa tayo ko.
Met you by surprise.
Tay kami, hi muna kayo. Share. Hi. Para masaya. Happy birthday, Mark.
Saw you standing there. I didn't know I cared. There was something special in the air. Dreams are my reality, the only kind of real fantasy. Illusions are a common thing. Try to live and dream. It seems as if it's meant to be. Dreams are my reality, a different kind of reality. I dream of loving in the night, and loving seems so right, though it's only fantasy. Happy birthday, Margie.
Wow.
Happy birthday
Open
to
up.
you. Happy birthday to you.
89.
Happy birthday, dear Margie. Happy birthday
Oy, Marge!
to you.
Ready mo na yung cake? Dali! Oh, happy birthday! Oy, happy birthday! May songbook yan, happy birthday!
Jennifer, why don't you lead? Happy birthday to you.
Teka, meron,
Happy birthday.
meron dyan, happy birthday.
meron ba?
Magkakat na siya ng cake. Oo, yung cake mo pala. Mamaya pa.
How do I,
Okay na ngayon, nandito na kasi mga bisita, baka mamaya mag-uwian na eh.
Jennifer?
Hindi, 170.